Good morning. Today is Monday, March 19th, 2018, and this is the Wake Up Call with CJ Hallock. It's time to get up. Alright, so the thought of the day today is a certain darkness is needed to see the stars. And the reason why I chose this today is it's one of those things. Every few months I start thinking about the issues that I went through when I was in the service and the times after when I got really low and depressed, started contemplating suicide and all that stupid stuff. But it was those moments that let me actually see and get to the mindset of the, stay boosted mindset and being able to find the positive in things. And so I just want to urge you that if you feel like you're going through a tough time, just remember that that tough time is preparing you to see the bright times ahead. So I'm not going to go too deep into it, just a small nugget for the day. Hope everyone has an amazing Monday, very productive. Be sure to subscribe to the podcast. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, please feel free to comment and share. And of course, subscribe on YouTube. Like me on Facebook, and you can find me always by looking for CJ Hallock. Thank you for your time this morning. Once again, hope you're having a great one. Be great. Stay boosted. We'll see you on top of the world. Have a good one.